Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to be making some super easy teriyaki beef stew or pepper steak. So let's get into it. This recipe is so easy and simple. I mean, come on. It takes a while to cook, but it's very easy to put together. So first I'm going to wash my chuck meat. This was like thin cut chuck meat that I got from Walmart. And I'm just going to wash it up with some salt and lime juice, just like this. Y'all, I wash my meat to death. I don't know why. That's how I was taught. So I wash my meat. So now we're going to season it up. This is my peppers here, onions and carrots in this bowl. This is a teriyaki marinade that I'll be using. And I'm going to be seasoning this with my own spice, Spicy Girl. It's currently sold out, but I'll have it restocked real soon. So you want to season this up also with a little salt because my seasoning is low in sodium. And you're going to let this marinate for about 2 hours to up to overnight. After I added all my meat to the pot, then I'm going to, all of that is accumulated juice from the beef. I didn't add any liquid to that. All of that happened once I added all the meat down in there as well as, everything that was in the bowl. So after you add the teriyaki, you also want to add some stock. I'm using chicken stock. You can use beef stock, but I only had chicken stock, so I strained it out in there. And you're going to cover this and allow it to simmer. Mine took about, it was about an hour before I added the vegetables. Also at this point is where you want to season to taste. You might need some more salt, more pepper, more Spicy Girl or your preferred seasoning. But this is where I tasted it. Added the peppers, carrots, and onions. Cooked it for another 30 minutes. And then we were good to go, y'all.